Book Summary Day. Today I am going to tell you about the game of life and how to play it. Life is often compared to a battlefield or a struggle, but Florence Scovel Shinn, in her timeless book, The Game of Life and How to Play It, teaches us something very different. She says, life isn't a fight, life is a game. And like every game, it has rules, strategies, and a way to win. Today, let's explore her powerful lessons on how to play this game of life with wisdom, faith, and confidence. Life is a game of cause and effect. Florence says that everything in life works like cause and effect. Whatever we think, speak, and believe becomes the seed we plant. And sooner or later, we harvest the results. Negative thoughts, doubts, and fear bring negative outcomes. Positive thoughts, faith, and gratitude bring blessings. She reminds us, your words are your wand. Speak positively because words have power to shape your reality. The power of the mind and faith. The book teaches that faith is the strongest weapon in this game. If you believe with confidence, doors will open. If you doubt and fear, you close the doors yourself. Florence explains that we don't have to figure out how things will happen. We just have to believe that the universe or God's law takes care of the how. Intuition, the voice of guidance. He says we all have an inner guide, a voice of intuition. If we listen, it directs us to the right steps. Many times, instead of listening, people get trapped in fear and confusion. But in this game of life, intuition is like the compass. If you follow it, you reach your goal without being lost. The law of non-resistance. Life isn't about forcing things. Florence teaches the law of non-resistance. When we resist, complain, or fight against circumstances, we create more problems. Instead, we should accept, adjust, and stay open. For example, if one door closes, don't keep banging on it. Look around. Maybe another door has already opened. The power of giving and receiving. Another golden rule. What you give comes back to you. If you give love, encouragement, and generosity, life returns it multiplied. If you give negativity, criticism, or hatred, it also comes back. That's why she says, plant only the seeds you want to see grow. Subconscious mind, the hidden player. Florence emphasizes the role of the subconscious mind. Whatever we impress on it through words, imagination, and feelings becomes reality. If we keep repeating, I can't, I'm unlucky, I will fail, the subconscious mind accepts it and makes it true. But if we affirm, I can, I will, I deserve success, then the subconscious works like a powerful magnet to attract opportunities. Faith over fear. The biggest enemy in this game of life is fear. Fear paralyzes. Fear attracts the very things we don't want. The only cure is faith. Florence reminds us Faith and fear cannot live together. So, choose faith. Replace what if I fail with what if I succeed. Speak the word. One of the most famous teaching is speak the word. Say what you want with certainty. For example, instead of I hope to find a job, say the perfect job is coming to me. Instead of I'm afraid of sickness, say I'm divinely protected and healthy. Words are not just sounds, they are commands to life. The law of substitution. She also explains if you don't want negative thoughts, don't fight them, replace them. If a thought of fear comes, substitute it with a thought of faith. If you are worrying about lack, substitute it with gratitude for what you already have. Slowly, the mind will learn to choose the positive track. The winning strategy. So, how do we win this game of life? Keep faith strong. Speak positive words. Listen to your intuition. Give freely and receive with gratitude. Trust God's timing and don't resist what life brings. Florence Scovel Shinn's timeless wisdom reminds us that the game of life isn't about luck or chance. It's about playing with awareness, faith, and courage. Conclusion. The game of life isn't easy, but it is fair. The rules are simple, the tools are within us, and the victory is possible for anyone who learns to play with faith, love, and persistence. So remember, every day you are holding the controller of your life's game. Play it wisely and play it with faith. Thank you so much viewers for watching and listening. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share it with other your fellows. Take care. Allah Hafiz.